Welcome to our post-game press conference where after Magnolia's 105-93 victory against Converge, we are joined by best player of the game, Paul Lee, and winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, from a 127-point game of Converge, you just limited them to 93 tonight. Coming to this game, was it a conscious decision to silence either Alex Stockton or Justin Arana and then limit their import to around 30 points? What was it about your defense that allowed you to topple Converge?
First of all, thank you for Lord Jesus Christ for this win. And regarding the question, yes, we want them to limit below 100 points. Our goal is 92 points per game. So we did a good job on the defensive end. Siguro yung maybe on the last 5 minutes of the game, dun lang medyo siguro nag-relax kami. And kala namin panalo na. So yun eh. So we need to address that situation. Medyo hindi kami pwedeng ganun. So kailangan siguro we need to be consistent on our defense. Siguro malilimit pa namin yun under 90 points kung ginawa lang namin yung trabaho namin for the whole 48 minutes eh. But a win is a win, and I'm very glad and happy because the players stepped up on this game. Yes, we try to limit Stockton. We put our import to him para lang malimit yung activity ni Stockton, and Arana also for Ian. Thank you.
Coach, you mentioned how your focus coming into the season was better offensive execution. And after these 2 games, can you say confidently that your players are getting the hang of it?
Yes, I think alam na naman nila yung gusto naming mangyaring sistema on our offense. I think na-increase namin yung pass break, yung mga easy points, and also our execution on the half court. Good thing is I think we share the ball and we have patience on our offense, and that's malaking bagay yun para sa amin. So siguro paunti-unti as the season tumatagal, medyo gumaganda rin yung takbo ng transition offense namin.
Thank you, Coach. Paul, you've been very vocal about your disappointments and frustration from last season. Coming into the season, sabi mo na anday mong gustong baguhin at nakita nga namin na parang nagbawas ka rin ng timbang. Can you just walk us through your journey? How different do you feel now at ano ba talaga yung mga tumakbo sa isip mo before the season?
Yes. Coming from a bad conference, last conference, yun lang, gusto ko lang mag-bounce back, and everything will start sa akin talaga. So start ako sa physical condition ko, and then next yung mental condition ko. And yun lang, ginamit ko lang siyang motivation going into this conference. And ayun, kahit pa paano nakakita ako ng result, and I'm very happy.
Paul, ang dami ring changes sa roster nyo ngayon. Saan ka ba nag-a-adjust pa so far? Dalawang gabi pa lang.
Right now, siguro sa minsan ginagamit ako na point guard ni Coach. And I'm ready to accept that role while waiting kay Jerome Lastimosa. And ayun nga, again, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na kung ano man yung role na ibibigay sa akin ng mga coaches ngayon, kailangan ready ako sa lahat ng yun.